How to create AI images using Imagen AI. First, open the Gemini app. If you don't have it installed, download it from the Google Play Store and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in Gemini, tap the message box at the bottom. Now, type a prompt describing the image you want to create. For example, create a realistic mountain landscape at sunrise with a crystal clear lake, colorful flowers, and cinematic lighting. After entering your prompt, tap the Send button. If image generation is enabled for your account, Gemini will use Google Imagen AI to generate one or more images based on your prompt. Review the generated images and choose the one you like best. If you want a different result, edit your prompt or ask Gemini to regenerate the image. Finally, tap the image, then tap the Download or Save option to store it, if available. That's it. You've successfully created an AI image using Imagen AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, image generation tips, and easy tech guides.